So the 4Cs is something I didn't hear about until I came to Japan, actually. However, I did know about the contents of the 4Cs. The 4Cs are 4 tunes that start with C. Some of the tunes you may already know. Sissy Strut by the Meters, The Chameleon by Herbie Hancock, Cantaloupe Island also by Herbie Hancock, and The Chicken, made popular by Jaco Pastorius. Anyone who really wants to take their soloing and improv ability to the next level, mastering these tunes will be extremely valuable for you. So how should you go about learning these tunes? Number 1, learn and memorize the melody and chords. Now, a lot of people like to skip the melody and the chords and go straight to learning how to solo, but in my opinion, if you don't learn the chords, you can't really learn how to improvise over something. I think even taking that to the next step and saying, if you don't learn the melody, you're missing out on a very, very valuable part of the song to learn what kind of melodies can be played over this tune. The melody is essentially the identity of the song, and if you skip over the melody, you're skipping a very, very important part to the song if you're doing that. And step 2, to learn and memorize the scales needed. I like to categorize scales in 3 different levels. Level 1, minor pentatonic and major pentatonic. Level 2 is a Mixolydian and Dorian. Level 3, altered, Lydian dominant, and diminished. So these scales are definitely spice or hot sauce or something like that. If you know how to use it properly, they sound really, really cool. But if you use them in not so skillful ways, they can sound quite literally like you don't know what you're doing. So in my opinion, work on level 1, level 2 first, and then taking a crack at these 3 other scales. And just like the scales before, going through each tune, learning how to use which one of these scales and when in each tune. And with those 3 sets of scales, that gives you a lot of information to work with.